Welcome in the kitchen. I'm so glad y'all are here and joined me for this. Should be a very quick video. 4th of July is coming up and we have hot dogs and hamburgers. That's kind of our thing here. And what if it rains? We've had rainy July 4th before. My mama even saw it snow on July the 4th, but she was way up north in Canada, so that really doesn't count. It kind of counts, but not here in the South. It does not snow on July 4th. But sometimes it does rain, and our picnics just don't get to be outside. We have to do our stuff inside. So I'm going to show you all what Mama used to do. I can remember growing up, my towel's in the floor here. I can remember growing up and Bible school time and so forth. You had to feed a bunch of kids, right? Well, Mama did this probably 50 years ago, 45 at least. And it's the easiest way to fix hot dogs for a crowd of people. Easy peasy. I've got my hot dogs right here. These are frozen. And these are, I'll tell y'all because so many people ask me, these are ballpark all beef hot dogs. Sometimes I have Nathan's, sometimes I have Oscar Mayer, just whatever. See this frozen thing of hot dogs right there into that slow cooker. Y'all see that? Right there. Just dropped them down in there just like that. And I'm going to turn this on. And I'm going to turn it on low because I have to be out this afternoon and doing some things. And when I come in, we'll have hot dogs for supper. Because we like hot dogs around here. That's all there is to that, y'all. And they will be, I'm going to go ahead and put the lid on it. I'll show them to you when I come back. But they will be caramelized on the outside and just roasted. And they are so good this way. I do this a lot of times just because they're just so good. We used to do the concession stands at the high school. And people loved our hot dogs because I just popped them in a crock pot and let them sit. And they would be caramelized, like on the outside. They would taste more like a grilled or a hot dog. They were not a boiled wiener. When you all boil your foods, you pull out nutrients, you pull out tons of flavor goes into that water. About the only thing I boil are corn cobs. And I do that to make corn broth. After I've cut my corn off, I pull all that juice out of those corn cobs and then I can it to make soups, like chicken corn chowder or just in vegetable soup if you need just a little more liquid. I'll put it in a, just a pint jar. But I do boil my corn cobs because I don't like to waste anything and it's full of flavor, you all. So I'll be back in a few hours. These are going to sit here and cook and then I'll show them to you when they come back, okay? Okay, well, let me turn this or grab this. Okay, y'all, our hot dogs are done. I want y'all to see this. They've been in there about 5 hours on low, and look how brown they are. They're just so good. They have such a, so you can see that one, how caramelized it is. They just have the best flavor when you cook them that way. I'm over here cooking us some French fries too. I'm going to fry us up some mushrooms, breaded mushrooms. This is a quick, easy supper. Started before. Andy, be quiet, buddy. He's over here eating. He's ready to eat. He loves hot dogs. Absolutely loves hot dogs and French fries. That's one of his favorite things. So needless to say, keep hot dogs and potatoes on hand all the time. But tonight they're just frozen French fries I'm frying real quick. So y'all remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, ring the bell for notifications so you don't miss a video. And if it's going to rain on July the 4th, put your hot dogs in a slow cooker or a crock pot. Get up out of the floor, silly. It's not Christmas time. Come over here and wave at everybody. Come here and wave at the camera. Can you wave?
Wave!
Yeah, come here and say, hi, friends.
Ray!
And let Mom raise it up. Now try again.
What's up?
All right, y'all. I'm going to leave you right there with that and get these things finished up here, and we're going to have our supper. So that'll be all for this one. I'll see you all in the next one, and thanks for watching.